Today, we are taking a look at the MeacoFan 260c Cordless Air Circulator, which has to be the most portable fan I now own. I have many fans at home that require power cables to power the fan, and also a small fan that runs off a USB cable, but neither are portable or have a built-in battery and are as easy to use as the MeacoFan 260c. So let's start off by cutting the protective seal and opening the box to see what you will find inside. You get a card with info on how to register for the 2-year warranty. Then you get the instruction manual with all the important information. Finally, we can unbox the fan, which comes in a protective cardboard enclosure and a plastic bag. You also get a USB Type-C cable for charging. The MeacoFan 260c, which is for sale in South Africa by Solenco, is an ultra-quiet, portable, cordless air circulator, or simply a fan, with a rechargeable battery and a powerful airflow. It is also really portable thanks to its size and cordless design, making it perfect for using it at home, in the bedroom, office, kitchen and living room, or when out and about, at the beach, having a picnic in the garden, working out, or wherever you need some cooling. And yeah, she is, the MeacoFan 260c with its clean and fresh design in white. The fan is mostly made of plastic to keep it lightweight, but has a metal stalk to keep the fan sturdy, which also offers a nice feel when holding the fan. The fan guard has tiny gaps to keep fingers out. The base is round and has the only button used to operate the fan, and also houses the night light, which wraps around the base. At the back of the base is the Type-C port used for charging. Underneath the fan are rubber pads for grip, as well as the compartment that houses the battery. The angle of the fan can be adjusted to face downwards and upwards. The fan is operated with a single button to turn the fan on and off and adjust the fan speed. Simply press the button to turn on the fan and again to cycle through the fan speeds. The LED on the button shows you which speed the fan is on. Once you have cycled through the 4 speeds, the fan will turn off. press in and hold in the button will turn on or off the night lights. The night light can be turned on even when the fan is not on. Here is some other important information. The fan is small and lightweight. It only weighs 490 grams, ensuring it is portable. It is also cordless, making it really easy to use and move around. You can simply throw it in a bag and take it with you, or easily carry it around your home or wherever you need to go. It has an integrated night light. The base lights up to provide a soft glow for sleeping, studying, and meditation. It is quiet and energy efficient thanks to the DC brushless fan motor with a noise level between 15 to 20 decibels. If you are looking for an energy efficient fan that doesn't disrupt your sleep, your work, or your Netflix watching with annoying humming sounds, this is the fan to choose. It is super quiet and unobtrusive. It gets on with its job so that you can get on with yours. The fan has 4 fan speeds to offer different levels of cooling. I found that each level has enough airflow to cool you, so you don't need to turn it all the way up, unless it is really hot. You can see and hear the different levels in action using my paper test. The fan is powered by a 5000 mAh lithium battery, which gives you 14 hours of use on a single full charge when on fan speed 1. So even in load shedding, you can remain cool and see using the night light. The battery is also replaceable should you need to swap it out at 499 Rand for a pack of 2 via the Solenco website. Charging is really easy thanks to the Type-C USB cable and USB port located at the back of the fan. You can charge from any power source such as a laptop, wall socket, or any charging point, even a power bank should you need extra power on the go. You can charge to 100% in 6 hours and you can use the fan while it is charging. The fan comes in 100% recyclable packaging and 3 trees are planted for every order, making this an environmentally friendly purchase. When it comes to cleaning the fan, that is really easy. The fan guard can easily be removed to clean the fan, and then you can simply wipe down the blades with the cloth. All Meaco products come with a 2-year parts and labor warranty, as well as the option of extending the warranty to a total of 5 years. You also get a 30-day guarantee and can return the item within 30 days. So what does it cost? The MeacoFan 260c is for sale for R699 and you can get 10% off by using my discount code CAPETOWNGUY. There are also savings to be made if you buy more than one. These details can be found when purchasing the fan. The link to the product can be found below, or you can simply visit www.solencostore.com. So, what did I think about the fan? My favorite aspect about the fan is how portable it is. I simply picked up the fan and used it around the home to keep cool at my desk, next to my bed, on my recliner, in the kitchen, in the lounge, on the balcony, and in the garden. And with no cables, this was such a nice experience. I then took the fan with me during a walk and kept cool while sitting on the promenade grass with my dog. It is so portable. I even took the fan with me during a bicycle ride and kept cool while taking a break. So if you are looking for a portable fan, the Meaco 260c is definitely one that you should be considering. Thanks to Solenco for gifting me the Meaco 260c. For more information, visit www.solenco.co.za.